Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leslie, and today we're going to start off with me being calm and showing you what I made in Monday's video. This one is my favorite because it's the closest to being perfection. We have a little less space here than we have here, but do we care about things like that? We don't know. This one's a second favorite, but I don't like that this is off center on both sides, no doubt. And this one just first attempt, okay? First attempt, second attempt, third attempt, okay? All right, now that we've looked at my fabulous things that I have perfected that I have to keep trying and keep practicing, I thought, you know, we'll do a little Happy Meal. This one comes from Allison in North Carolina. So ahead of time, I just want to say thank you, Allison, for the Happy Meal. This might be a birthday thing. Not sure. Not sure. We're going to find out. I think I had one or two people that were like, I couldn't get it in time. I'm like, meh, I'm not going to get y'all's out in any speedy fashion. It's going to take me forever to make all these because I'm extra. Because instead of just making one cute little thing or two cute, no, I'm still working on my first one that was for Mary. Because she's the first one that sent one in. And I thought maybe that's the way I would do it because that seems fair, but I'm so extra on hers. I'm learning that we need to settle down, okay? So that's what I'm going to be doing. Now, I probably have this upside down because I didn't want to show her address, but it's okay. Everything comes out at the bottom the same as it comes out at the top. Maybe. Okay, and we have stickers, groovy stickers. I love groovy stickers. One of these days I'm gonna make a groovy mini album. And it'll probably be retirement because I don't ever seem to have time. Okay. Ooh, okay, see, I'm seeing things ahead of time. Okay. These are fabulous, red, white, and blue. You probably just saw my video on my living room where I'm decluttering my kitchen. It's fine. These will stay in the craft room for use with, see, people that know how to make rosettes better than me. It's a sunshine state of mind. See, that's what I need to do. Okay, see, she put hot glue on it, okay? Oh, hot glue under one of those circle things. Then put this on it. And then you know, y'all are awesome. Y'all can do all the hard things that I can't do. Okay? So that's what we need to do. We have to do the hot glue trick. I need a better hot glue gun. One that doesn't drip everywhere. Is that possible? We don't know. Okay, I need to know how y'all make these so perfectly. See, I can see where she glued it. And her valley is the same size as her up on the mountain. Okay? If that makes sense to anybody, it makes sense to me, okay? Those were questions that I had the other night. See how sometimes they're closer here and they're further here? Is that normal? Because that's how mine turned out. But, I mean, when I just look at hers, it's perfect. But when I look at mine, I notice it. I guess I'm going to have to cover mine so that nobody can see it. These are beautiful. Thank you very much. I love them. I'm going to open this one because this is probably more fabulous rosettes. They are. And they're perfect. Absolutely perfect. I love it. I'm going to make some, and they're going to turn out just as good as these. Why? Because I'm going to keep practicing, and then everybody's getting some rosettes. You get a rosette, and you get a rosette. Everybody gets a rosette. Oprah, 1988. Okay. Then we'll go here with this fabulous paper she has. And it says peanuts. I see peanuts. Oh, I squealed. Sorry. That is so fun. Oh my God, I love it. It's the Snoopy watch, and is it the one that lights up? Yes. I wanted to get one of these for Mary, but I was like, Mary, would she think it's too kiddish? But it's not too kiddish for me. But I didn't get it because I wasn't there for me. For other stuff. Then went, thank you. I love this so much. Thank you. Okay. Yes! I wanted to go to the dollar store, but I'm on a no buy July. And I did go in my dollar store, but I didn't see them, and I wanted them. I wanted these so bad. They're coloring bookmarks of plants. And yes, indeedy, I am going to color these. Thank you so much. Ugh. Because I just, you know, go to the dollar store and I look, and I did pick up a few things. I'll show you what I did pick up. But I couldn't find these. So I'm going to skip a few and just show you. But it's basically just pictures of plants and places that they have cut into, like, I'd say about a 1-inch strip. You can come through and color it with whatever medium you want. I am so excited. I am so, oh, and the mushrooms, yeah. And the Sansevieria, also known as snake plants. And the mushrooms and the toads. And the flowers. Excuse me, sir, we don't. Thank you. Ooh, look at that. Could be a monstera. Kinda looking like it. Here's another snake plant. Echeveria, hens and chicks. That's what it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I'm so excited. I didn't see these in my store. I would have broken my no-buy. Look. Peanuts, Beagle Scouts. Oh, so cute. She knows that we like Snoopy. And I love it. Adorable, 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 adorable. Can we say? Adorable. Precious, precious. Oh, he's putting out some clovers there. Some clubs. Couldn't think of the word. Words are hard when you're exhausted. That's cute. That is so cute. So that means these look different from the pack that I have. So Mary, that means if you see these, you need to pick them up because they're different from the other ones that we got a long time ago. Oh, dollar store, you're going to break us all. These are fabulous. Thank you so much. Yep, I used to come home from trick-or-treating just to watch It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. Everybody else is still out getting candy? No. Charlie Brown is on. I have to go. Bye-bye now. Okay. Then, let's see where I'm going. Have a little note here. Leslee, happy belated birthday. After all your extensive traveling, you needed a vacation from your vacation. I'm sending you to relax at the Outer Banks in North Carolina. Have fun visiting the lighthouses, riding horses on the beach, and visiting where nights in Rodanthe were filmed. Really? Enjoy the sunshine and relax. Up. Crafty Penguin Creations. So I don't know if that is a YouTube channel or a Etsy or Instagram, but let's see what we got here. We got a grandma that don't know how to open a bow. It's a problem. Look, she made one of those books too. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, with 2 huge signatures in it. Okay, first of all, we have Precious Bow. Summertime Fun. That's adorable. OBX are the letters. Duke, please stop. And then, when you open the perfectly tied bow, oh, I have that paper. I love that paper. On my living room channel last summer, I used to do my crafts over there before I separated it to this channel. And I started a, sorry, can y'all even see anything I'm looking at? I started a savings challenge book in a mermaid theme. So, I'll have to show you that at the end because it's not about me right now. It is about this preciousness. Oh, does this come out? Wait, that's her ATC card. Okay. Her birthday is July 23rd. Her favorites are penguins, turtles, purple, green, and Christmas. She has Instagram, crafty_penguin_creations. She has a YouTube channel, Crafty Penguin Creations. Okay. Fabulous. Thank you. Thank you. Love it. Okay. This is adorable. Oh, wait. It's something that goes in there. Stop it. It's a birthday card. Life is better at the beach. Isn't that the truth? Outer Banks, North Carolina is where I'm headed. Handmade by Crafty Penguin Creations. Allison. Allison! I love this so much. Oh, look. See? And she even has the cool stuff. Rodanthe, Waves, Salvo, at Avon, Buxton, Frisco, and Hatteras. We used to go down to Frisco to the point. Is it Frisco? Maybe it's Buxton, where the point is, where it used to be, where the lighthouse was. I think they had to move it. But we used to go down to the point and surf fish, you know, where all the trucks park and fish, because that's what my friend grew up doing. And so we did it all through the 80s and early 90s. And then we grew up, and he probably still goes down there, but I haven't been down there in a long time. But I can't wait to go. Oh, these are all the lighthouses they have. Yes, that's the one we used to climb up. That's the one by the point. And the Cape Shore, what is it? Cape Shore, it's got all of these, pictures of all of these in there. I don't want to pull them out because I don't want to mess them up. My niece and I wanted to do this. We wanted to go to the beach. Was it my niece? I'm sure it was. Wanted to do this, and it was too hot. You have to do it in like September, October. So, keep that in mind. We have little things in here. Do we have little things in here? No, it's just ready to be put stuff in there. That's adorable. Love the horses. What a great job you did. I love this. Oh, I wonder if that's her pup. Is that your pup? Your pup's cute. Okay, see, I've never seen Knights of Rodanthe, so I have no idea. Oh, it's a Nicholas Spark. It's a chick flick. No wonder I don't know. I can't watch chick flicks. They make me get knots in my throat. Now, I don't want to cry. That would be horrible. But I could take those down to the beach and read them when I go on vacation. I just might do that. Download it on a Kindle or something. Look at this adorableness. This little heart. I think it's the ones we got at Michael's, but I have not picked them up. My Michael still has them. And then she filled it with little sand dollars and seashell. Adorable. A relaxing life is all you need. Yep. Ain't that the truth? This is adorable. I think these are called Twinchies. I've seen them. I haven't made one, but I've seen them. We have a belly band. What a great job you did. America's 250th, from sea to shining sea. And that's what we used to have, was a 1983 Jeep Wrangler. It was brown. I love that. That makes me excited. Oh, you gave me all the things I love. This is so wonderful. All right, so all of you that have sent me these birthday things, I'm trying not to be extra, but I am extra, so it's going to take me forever to get these things back to you. But I'm hoping I make it worth your while, because it'll be very extensive. I've done research, and it's like I'm writing a book report and trying to get an A. We don't know what's wrong with me, okay? We just don't. Let's hear. Happy birthday to you. Okay. That is fabulous. Thank you so much, Allison. You did a knockout job. I cannot wait to wear this. And I cannot wait to color this. And read a book and do all these things at the beach. And I'm going to keep practicing my rosettes and make them perfect like you did. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel when you interact, and give it a thumbs up, hype it, leave comments down below. Let me know what your favorite item was. Let me know where you went on vacation this summer. If you want, you can tell me. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload, because I seem to be off schedule these days because work's a little busy. But I look forward to seeing you again very soon in the craft room. Thanks, Allison. Bye, everyone. Don't forget to check out Allison on Instagram and YouTube. Go subscribe. Let her know that you came over here from watching my video. Bye.